Good afternoon and welcome to the kitchen. Yes, it looks like the kitchen's been taken over by vegetables, squashes, everywhere. Decorative, wintry, autumnal. Welcome to the kitchen, and it's me, Richard, from Richard & Paul. That's Richard & Paul since 2017. That's contractual. Now, I'm in the kitchen to make delicious, festive treats today. We made Christmas puddings last week, and this week we're making vegan ginger cake. Now, this recipe was sent to us by the lovely Sharon of Planet Vegetaria, one of our followers and fans, super fans, I think you'll find. And she sent it through to Planet Vegetaria. And I said to Paul, I'm making that, and I'm making it now, because I want it. So I'm making it, and here I am. We're going to put all the ingredients down below in the description box, and the full method, which is very, very easy, apparently. So, yeah, the oven's on at 160. Heating up. In fact, it's heated up and I've just turned the fan off so it doesn't detract from the professionalism of the video. Always professional, always top quality, I think you'll find. So, let's have a look at the ingredients. I'm not doing the amounts, just the ingredients. Okay, come hither and view. We've got some self-raising flour. We've got some vegetable oil, some soya milk, some lemon juice, ginger spice, a little bit of mixed spice, some bicarbonate of soda, and some brown sugar. And I'm using a mixing bowl and one of these silicone baking trays. Yes, silicone for the oven. Amazing, isn't it? So, let's put it all together. The first thing that we need to do, and I'm going to do this now, is I'm going to add the lemon juice to the soya milk to make it curdle. So let's do that first. I think we have to set that aside to one side and just let it do its thing. Let's give it a little agitate. And we will leave that until it's curdled. There we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is sieve the dry ingredients. That's the flour, the ginger, the bicarb and the spices through a sieve into a mixing bowl. I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to gently combine those. I'm just getting any large lumps. I'm going to make a well in the centre. I'm going to add our soya milk, which has almost turned into a cream, and our vegetable oil, and then combine. Oh, I think I can see some kind of reaction going on there. Some bubbles happening. There's a few large lumps of sugar Just making sure that they are that was a soft brown sugar. Yeah, it's growing. I can see it growing. Hope it doesn't grow so much that it doesn't fit in the tin. I'm sure it won't. Okay, I'm popping the mixture into this silicone baking sheet, baking tray, sheet, whatever you call it. There are still a few bits of sugar, but hey, let's not worry about it. Hope you can see that. So into the oven at 160 fan for about 25 to 30 minutes. So here we are, it's out of the oven. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. Lovely sort of glossy top. Beautiful golden brown colour. So I'm going to let it cool and we're going to turn it out and hopefully turn it out in one piece and try it. So here it is, out of the oven. Gorgeous and golden and shiny and just gorgeous looking. We've got a piece cut for each of us and we're going to sample it now. We are. So, ginger cake, vegan ginger cake. Paul, that's yours.
This one?
Not that one, no, the small piece that I've cut for you. Eat it now. Let's try it. Thank you, Sharon, for this lovely recipe. Well, we hope it's lovely.
Oh, it's nice and soft.
Oh, it's very soft and spongy.
I'd be happy with that. A bit more ginger for me, but it's lovely.
Well, I put more ginger than Sharon actually said. I put heaped teaspoons in.
I love ginger. I'd be very happy with that.
Yeah, but actually, the ginger comes in later.
What?
Don't you notice? You get a bit of an aftertaste of ginger. It's really nice because it's got a slightly crispy top.
It has, and it's really soft.
It's really light.
I think I quite prefer that, actually.
And we haven't put any icing on top. But actually...
Is that next? Are you going to do that next?
Well, I wasn't going to, actually.
Then we're going to have another slice.
I actually don't think... No, it could take icing because it's not that sweet.
No, I like it as it is. But I'm not a sweet tooth.
That is rather delicious, actually, considering there's no egg, no butter.
Could you do
I love it.
it would be lovely with a sort of... Could you do a vegan custard?
Oh, I don't know.
That would be fabulous, warm with custard as well.
You could do a custard with soya milk.
You could do a trifle with it as well. You could make a vegan trifle.
So it just remains for us to say thank you, Sharon, for sharing that recipe with us. It was really good. And yeah, I think that's great. I love it.
Thank you, Sharon.
So that's it. Vegan ginger cake. Yum, yum.
Are we going to have some more?
That's not going to last long. Well, we haven't had our dinner yet, Paul.
No.
Honestly.
We could just
Really?
have another slice.
No.
Or two.
We're going to wrap it up and that's it. It's going to go in the
It's going to be
fridge.
kept till Christmas or something.
No! Don't be ridiculous, Paul. So thank you very much for watching. Take care. Toodaloo. Toodle pip. Au revoir.
Bye.
Adieu. Bienvenue.